Simply Revival DHT Blocker is marketed as a natural hair loss supplement that supposedly blocks DHT and helps users maintain a fuller head of hair. But the real question is, does it actually prevent hair loss, or is it another supplement making bigger promises than the science supports? Now, to be fair, DHT plays a legitimate role in androgenetic hair loss, commonly known as male and female pattern baldness. That's why some proven hair loss treatments specifically target DHT. However, not every product that claims to block DHT delivers meaningful results. What it does well may contain ingredients associated with DHT support. Many DHT blocker supplements include ingredients like saw palmetto, pumpkin seed extract, biotin, or other plant-based compounds commonly marketed for hair health, could support overall hair health. Certain vitamins and minerals may help address nutritional deficiencies that contribute to weaker hair. Where the hype falls apart, it is unlikely to work as well as proven medical treatments. This is the biggest issue. Prescription DHT blockers and clinically tested treatments generally have much stronger evidence behind them. Blocking DHT naturally does not guarantee regrowth. Even if some ingredients affect DHT activity, the impact is often much smaller than marketing suggests. Scientific evidence for the exact product may be limited. Research on individual ingredients does not automatically prove that Simply Revival DHT Blocker itself is highly effective. So, does Simply Revival DHT Blocker actually prevent hair loss? Short answer: it may support hair health and potentially help some users, but it is unlikely to prevent hair loss as effectively as the marketing implies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.